Good morning, Vestigians. Welcome back to special e-trainings from the House of Vestige. Myself, Gautam Arora from Marketing Department. Today's topic for e-training is Vestige's International Presence Part 2. And the country we will talk about is Bangladesh. A little bit overview about Bangladesh. The operations in Bangladesh started in the year 2019. Till date, over 131,000 registered distributors are there with us in the Vestige family in Bangladesh. Our head office in Bangladesh is in Dhaka. You can reach out to the following address and be a part of the family. We have two branch offices in Bangladesh, one in Chattogram and the other in Khulna. You can reach out to both the places and be a part of Vestige family. Below is the list of DLCPs available in Bangladesh. If you are in following cities, you can reach out there, buy our products and be a part of the Vestige family and enjoy the benefits. Let's understand what all the available products in Bangladesh. The first category available there is personal care. In the hair care segment, we have Assure hair oil. In the skin care segment, we have Assure BB cream, facial massage cream, anti-aging night cream, instant glow face pack and clarifying face wash. We also have complete fairness cream, purifying cleanser plus toner, exfoliating scrub, sun defense SPF 30+ and daily moisturizer. In the body care segment, we have Assure shaving cream for men, we have Assure soap, Assure complex bar, body wash and hand wash. We also have foot cream, cocoa and peach body butter. We have 3 perfumes, Assure Arctic, Assure Aura and Assure Pulse. We have Assure hand and body lotion. In the oral care segment, we have Dentasure toothpaste, Dentasure whitening toothpaste and Dentasure multi-action toothbrush. In the home care segment, we have Hivest Ultramatic, we have Hivest Ultra Wash, Hivest Ultra Scrub and Hivest Ultra Swab. You can visit our website and purchase this product. You can directly go to the office's address mentioned above and purchase these products. For viewing the Mistral of Milan range, we have complete range in Bangladesh. You can download this catalog from the download section and view the products. Going ahead, the contact details of the Bangladesh are given on the screen. You can contact this mobile number for any queries. If you have queries and you want to write down a mail, you can write at bangladesh@myvestige.com. For visiting Bangladesh website, you can type www.myvestige.com on the home page. On the right hand side, you will see the flag option. You can change it to Bangladesh flag option and click on that tab. Bangladesh website will appear like this. You can view this website. You can go on the home, company, products, download section and understand more about Vestige. Let us understand how to join as a distributor in Bangladesh. There are 2 ways, online and offline. If you want to join online, you have to join through Vestige mobile app or you have to visit the website, log in and join. Offline mode, you can reach out to any store, branch or DLCP in Bangladesh. For KVIC, you need 3 things. You need either of 3 things: national identification card, driving license or birth certificate of Bangladesh, and you can be a part of the Vestige family. For downloading the e-catalogs which are specifically designed for Bangladesh, you can visit www.myvestige.com/Bangladesh/Bangladesh download tab. We have 4 updated catalogs. You can download and use them. Join and earn. There are 9 ways of income that company provides: savings on consumption, accumulated performance bonus, bronze director bonus and many more bonuses. You can go through this complete list in the success plan and reap the benefits. Thank you distributors for understanding and giving an interest towards our new country Bangladesh. You can be a part of this country and enjoy the benefits. For order online, you can visit Vestige online shopping app. You can order from shop.myvestige.com and VBD app in the current scenario. Thank you. Stay safe, stay trained. Wish you well.